You reach the hospital and it is absolute pandemonium. Patients, oxygen saturations dropping, patients getting ventilated, your juniors calling you to be in the ICU at that point in time. And inside the COVID ICU, it's a completely, it's a mind boggling scenario at times, especially at the peaks of the pandemic. This is not something which we saw last year.
कवर हो सके सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करेंगे सभी दुकानदार ध्यान दें सभी दुकानदार अपनी दुकान के अंदर या बाहर सोशल
So why did we allow it to come to this stage? And it's really emotionally tormenting. Even after 20 years of intensive care, facing each death is a pain.